Welcome to Hotel Lela in Wilmington, North Carolina, a newly rebranded and renovated hotel that's bringing a fresh, modern feel to the Wilmington hotel scene. Located in the heart of Wilmington, Hotel Lela puts you within easy reach of everything that makes this coastal city such a fun getaway. You're just a short drive from the beautiful North Carolina beaches, while historic downtown Wilmington with its riverfront shops, restaurants, and charming streets is also close by. The hotel has recently undergone a major transformation, including a new name, refreshed spaces, updated guest rooms, and a completely elevated look and feel. The result is a hotel that feels contemporary and comfortable while giving you a relaxed coastal getaway vibe. Now, let's take a look at a standard 2-queen room inside the Hotel Lela. I think there are two major highlights to this hotel property. Number one, you aren't directly in the city where you're going to be paying a higher fee for riverfront views, so you can be saving a little bit of money, but be a great distance away from the beach and distance away from downtown. So you've got access to both very easily with this address. In addition to that, I really love the pool deck. So after I show you this standard 2-queen room, we're going to take a look at the surprisingly beautiful pool deck. On the left, you saw the bathroom area with a toilet space and single vanity and walk-in shower. Then when you come in on the right-hand side, you've got your full-length mirror and a little wet bar space that includes your coffee maker and a mini fridge. The room feels very fresh, modern, and clean. I really like that there are a lot of lighting options, so you can choose if you want more of a dim light, a reading light, or direct overhead lighting. And then between both of your queen beds, you have the USB charging ports, which makes it easy to stay charged while traveling. Taking a look across the room, you'll also see that you have a desk, working area, a flat screen TV, drawer space, plenty of space to kind of spread out but keep things organized while you're in the room. One of the best spots for a view at Hotel Lela is the pool deck. While you don't get those iconic riverfront Wilmington views here, you get a relaxing space to lounge, swim, and soak up the North Carolina sunshine. So when you're booking your room and you're looking for a nicer view, opt for the pool deck. The trade-off is you're going to save money on your stay. Sure, you're not going to get that riverfront view or the beachside Atlantic view, but if you'd rather spend your budget exploring Wilmington, dining out, and then enjoying the beach on your itinerary, the Hotel Lela is a great value. This pool deck honestly took me by surprise. It's tucked in and secluded in the middle of the hotel, so you don't notice the outside noises and traffic. It's a very calm space, a lot of areas for kids to play and run around. It's a great spot just to relax and decompress from your day. This is the highlight of Hotel Lela, and photos don't do it justice. There are two more amenities beyond the room that I want to mention. Number one is the fitness center. It had a nice size, some cardio and weight options available. And if you're looking for a place to grab breakfast, lunch, and dinner, or a drink without leaving the property, you'll find Paloma, Hotel Lela's on-site restaurant. Overall, I really liked the Hotel Lela as a budget-friendly, family-friendly space that is unexpected. And like I said, you're a great distance between the beach and downtown Wilmington. So let me know if you have any questions below in the comments. You will find links to more Wilmington itinerary planning videos below in the video description. You can find all of my content at savvymamalifestyle.com. Thanks for watching.